Hi all, Gu- I am Gunjan Gupta, your instructor. In this course today we will cover weights in. Let's start with implicit weight. What is implicit weight? It is a type of weight in Selenium. Is direct the Selenium driver to wait for a certain amount of time before throwing any exception. Certain amount of time we only define. At the last, I have given you the syntax of the implicit weight, and if that element is not found, then it will throw no such element exception. Implicit weight is used for all the elements. Okay, all the elements in our code, and it remains like it remains working when the browser is open. Okay, it is a single line of code that is declared where we have set up the method in the initial phase where we have run the browser. Okay, there we put the this condition. Okay, and the global setting is that the default setting is 0 initially, but we will provide some input for like seconds, minute, anything we can provide. So default setting is 0, and we can say it is globally applied for every element. It is for short span of time, we can't give large span of time, otherwise we will not get to know the failure. So the syntax is driver dot manage dot timeout implicit wait duration of seconds. I have given here seconds too. Or in this way also we can write like timeout comma time unit dot seconds. In Eclipse I will be telling you, like after writing dot you have to give control space, then you can see like second, millisecond options will be coming, so you can use that also. Okay. So now we will talk about explicit weight. Now explicit weight and one more topic is there, fluent weight. So in explicit weight, the thing is that like explicit weight and fluent weight both are WebDriver weights. Okay. You can say two types of WebDriver weights are there. So explicit weight and implicit weight. So what explicit weight do? Explicit weight are used to halt the execution, means it pauses the execution until the time that particular condition is met, or the maximum time which we have told is finished or collapsed. Okay, or we can say that WebDrive is direct to wait until certain condition occur being proceeded with executing the code. Okay, explicit wait are used when a particular element naturally takes time to load. Now I can give you an example. When you search for an hotel, you provide your data like the date of stay, duration you can give, and then the number of people and the number of rooms you want, and then click on search. So it takes some time to load, like sometimes take 1 minute. So there also you can put explicit wait, because implicit wait will not work there, because it is a 1 minute wait, it is a large amount of time. Okay, and explicit wait is applied on a particular element only. It is not a global wait, it is applied on a particular element only. Because here also we give a, first we will give WebDriver wait equal to new WebDriver wait, and then amount we will be giving for wait time, and then wait until expected condition like visibility of element located, then we have given some x path. Okay, that element which we are going to search on that page. Okay, we have to give the x path of that thing. It will wait that it should exist, it will wait. If it is not displayed in a certain amount of time, then it will fail. Okay, so what we have to do, like we have some like visibility of element located. I have told element to be clickable, invisibility, presence of element located, text to be present in visibility of. So there are some expected conditions which Selenium has already provided. Okay, some examples I have given you, so please check it. Okay, so main points are: it is not a global weight, it is applied on a particular element, it is for long duration of time. Okay, and we will check that a particular condition is met. If it is not met, then the maximum duration whatever we have given is completed or not. If it is completed and element is not found, then it will throw an exception. Before that, it will not throw an exception. These are main point, and it is a web driver wait. It is part of that, you can say, or type of that. Okay. So what is Fluent wait? It is also a part of WebDriver wait only. Like it is used to define maximum time for a WebDriver to wait for a condition, as well as frequency with which we can check the condition before throwing any element non-visible exception. Okay. So it will check the web element at regular intervals until the object is found or timeout happens. What is frequency? Like it is a repeated cycle within time frame to verify and check that condition at regular interval of time. Like we can have in one example, let's consider a scenario where an element is loaded at different intervals of time. So the element might load within 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds, 40 seconds, even more. If we declare an explicit wait of like 20 seconds, it will it will wait till the specified time, okay, before throwing an exception. In such scenario, the fluent wait is the idle wait which we are going to use to find an element at different frequency until it's fine or full timer that we have given is run timeout. It is finished. So WebDriver wait, new fluent wait driver dot timeout. Duration of seconds. Okay. Now here we will get complete time like 30 second, 40 second, whatever time we want to give, and pooling every duration of that minutes we will give, that every time it's keep on pooling like 10 second value, it will keep on pooling. Okay, duration of millis in, now in bracket we will give the seconds in, keep it pooling. Okay. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe, like, and do share my video. And if you have any question, please comment. Thank you. Bye bye.